Hi, Lauren Hill, class of grade 9, 2021. Here is your concentration questions tutorial. For those that weren't able to attend the tutorial last Tuesday, here are 3 of questions that I would like to highlight in order to help you with future concentration questions. So, question number 1. Determine the concentration in percent mass per volume of a solution that has 1.5 grams of solute in 60 milliliters of solution. First things first, with any question, highlight the relevant pieces of information. In this case, the unknown is concentration in percent of a solution. That's also 1.5 grams of solute and 60 ml of solution. You will notice that with all these types of questions, usually there are 3 variables that are given that you will need to solve the problem. Just doing this will get you at least 1 mark. And a question like this usually is on 4 marks. So 25% of your solution is in highlighting the relevant pieces of information. Another common mistake that I saw on many exams, on many of these quizzes, was students just blindly solved for C. Now, yes, this is a concentration question, but please look at what they're asking. They're asking the units in percent, and they're telling you how to calculate that percent. M over V. Now, not all teachers will be generous and give this clue. So, if you're faced with a question that they're giving you grams, milliliters, and percent, and you get stumped, always remember the 3 S's. Solute, solvent, and solution. Your solution will always be 100%. You can't have more than 100%, unless if there's bonus points, but in terms of concentration questions, your solution will always be 100%. And in concentration questions, you're always looking to find solvent. That's your unknown. So unfortunately, a lot of students that I saw when they answered this question, they did the right approach here. They put 1.5 grams of solute in your M. They put 60 mLs of solution in your volume, and they just plugged and play what C equals M over V. And they provided an answer in grams per liter or milliliters. Now, this will not get you full points. It won't even give you half points because you're not answering the question. So therefore, 2 tricks here. When they're giving you a concentration in percent, when they're asking for concentration in percent, one trick number 1 is write solid, solvent, solution. Write these 3 S's and you'll quickly remember that you need to solve for solid. Second, when there's a question involving percentage questions always equal to cross multiplication. So, in order to solve this question, set up your cross multiplication. You know that your solution is equal to 100%. Your solute is your unknown. You don't know how much that is in percentage, but you're given 1.5 grams of solute, and you're given 60 ml of solution. So in order to set up your cross multiplication here, replace the solute and solution with numbers. . rewrite it a little more neatly here. 1.5 grams over 60 ml of solution is equal to X over 100%. Cross multiply. So 1.5 grams times 100% divided by 60 ml will give you 2.5%.